Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our custom fit Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the identified factory screws. Make sure to remove the factory bolt located on the underside of the mudguard. To remove the mudguard, firmly pull to release it from the adhesive. Note that mudguards may differ from truck to truck. Peel off the adhesive and clean any residue with a cloth. Then, locate and remove the factory screw on the inside liner. You may dispose of it or reinstall it on the innermost factory hole, as it is not needed for the install. Next, as a recommended option, install this plastic plug. This will cover the factory hole on the outer fender. Note, these plugs are sold separately, as they are color matched to your specific color of truck. Firmly push the plug into the factory hole on the outer fender and secure it with a plastic washer and speed nut. Next, loosely install the clips to the upper two holes of the flap. This can be done beforehand or while the flap is on the vehicle. Note the larger upper holes and the small slits below them. Install the tab of the clip into the smaller slit, and make sure to install the clip to the rear side of the flap, as shown. Next, remove the upper factory U-clip as shown. It will not be needed for the install. Now, begin installing the mud flap. Start with the innermost hole, placing a rubber spacer between the liner and the flap. Tighten the upper two clips to the fender. Make sure both clips are loose to start, and place the clips so that the fender will be pinched between the clips and the mud flap. Then install the remaining two screws and washers and loosely tighten. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Tighten all screws and double check that the flap is still level. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.